Smart Culture, Mathematics.
Let's discuss patterns with a constant difference. If we look at these few numbers, 1, 5, 9, 13 and 17, can you spot the difference between these numbers? If we take 1 and 5, there's a difference of 4. Do you agree? And between 5 and 9, there's also a difference of 4. And the same with 9 and 13 and 17. Every time, 4 has been added. We can put this in a table. If we look at the first row, there will be term positions. Position 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then the term value is what they've given us. Can you guess what the next two terms will be? If we look at 17 and you add another 4, then the next term will be 21. And after that, if we add 4 again, the next term will be 25. Can you describe the pattern? The pattern begins at 1 and then adds 4 for every term thereafter. Now we can have a look at an example. If we look at this table, we've got 5 term positions and they've added 3 term values. As you can see from position 1, the term value is 2, and in the second position, the term value is 4, and in the third position, the term value is 6. Please describe this pattern. That means, what can you see is the difference between the values of these different positions? Yes, it starts at 2 and adds 2 for every term. So the next one will be for position 4, it will be 8, and position 5 will be 8 plus 2 again, which is 10. Number 2, explain the relationship between the term position and the term value. The term value is exactly double its value of its position in the sequence. Now let's look at another example. If we look at this table, we've got 5 term positions again, and they've given us 4 term values. So in position 1, the value is 20. Position 2's value is 15. The third position's value is 10, and the fourth one is 5. So what can you see between position 1 and 2 in terms of the values? It went from 20 to 15. And then from 2 to 3, it is from 15 to 10, which is 5 less again. And then from position 3 to 4, it's from 10 to 5, which is also 5 less. So every time, there was minus 5. So give the next 3 terms. So if we look at term position 5, the term value will be 5 minus 5, which is 0. And after that, what do you think it will be? 0 minus 5 is minus 5, and then the term after that will be minus 10. Describe the pattern. The pattern begins at 20 and subtracts 5 for every term.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.